Hello, welcome to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. In this video, I'll be sharing this potent and powerful hair growth oil that I made, combining some of these natural ingredients which are known to be very effective hair growth agents. They all contribute to hair growth and the health of the hair. The thing is, I'm on a journey to grow my hair this year. I really want to grow a hair that is long and healthy too. And to achieve this, I'm trying out all these natural ingredients because of their many benefits. Some of these ingredients I've used in the past and they've worked so good for me, whether used separately or combined. So using them all together, I believe will do even better for my hair. So to make this potent hair growth oil, I'm using fenugreek seed, as you can already tell, cloves and rosemary leaves, and a blend of nourishing carrier oils. So let's jump right into making it. The first ingredient I'm using is fenugreek. Fenugreek seed has a lot of benefit for the hair. It is known to boost blood circulation and reduce dandruff, which helps stimulate hair growth. Fenugreek has the ability to repair hair shaft that is damaged due to dehydration, heat styling, chemicals, sun damage, and color treatment due to its protein content. This helps to fight hair fall, dryness, baldness, and hair thinning, thereby leading to a more moisturized and thicker hair. The next ingredient I'm using for this is the almighty rosemary. Studies have shown that rosemary is effective at healing nerve endings, which boost nerve growth in the scalp, thereby promoting hair restorations in the areas where hair is lost. Rosemary can strengthen circulation and improve blood supply to the hair follicles, thereby preventing the hair follicles from being deprived of essential blood supply, which may stop and shorten the growth of the hair cycle and lead to hair loss over time. Not only does rosemary help you achieve longer hair, it's also beneficial for the overall health of the hair. The anti-inflammatory properties in rosemary help to reduce scalp irritation, dandruff, and itching, which provides a more optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Next is cloves. See, cloves is one of the many natural ingredients I have used and it has really worked for me. And one of the biggest benefits of clove for hair growth is the fact that it has anti-inflammatory agents that protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually the major cause of weak and thin hair. These anti-inflammatory agents further help with hair thickening and reduce hair fall. With the presence of, vitamin K in clove, there is a better blood circulation, which stimulates hair growth. And the high level of antioxidants in clove help to add strength to the hair. We cannot talk about clove without mentioning eugenol. The compound eugenol found in clove helps promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So now that I have all the ingredients together, I went ahead to grind them into smaller pieces because I feel like the ingredients will be better infused into the oils, or the oils will be better infused into the ingredients. You know, I don't know if that makes sense, especially looking at the fenugreek and clove, considering that these are oils. Oils are thicker than water. So I don't know. I'll probably just give it a try later and see how well it soaks in without grinding them. But for this video, I grinded them all just to be sure I'm getting all the benefits from the solid ingredients. So on to the next step, which is incorporating the oils. I'm using 4 blends of nourishing carrier oils, starting with the extra virgin olive oil. All these oils have their many benefits they provide to the hair, which I'll be listing on the screen as we go. Next is Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and almond oil. Incorporating all these oils into hair care routine in general provides benefits such as promoting hair growth, strengthening hair strands, moisturizing the scalp, and reducing common hair issues like dandruff, thin hair, and breakage. The sigh of disappointment. Like, where did I begin from here? When I realized my camera wasn't recording at this point. So I had already transferred the blended ingredient into the jar, added 3 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then 2 tablespoons of the almond oil, you know. So for the camera, I added extra 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, extra 1 almond, 1 Jamaican black castor oil, and 1 olive oil, and I stirred everything together. I turned it very well. And then I realized that I feel like it wasn't big. I don't know. I added another 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I don't know why I can't get this. So in total, I used 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of almond oil, and 5 tablespoons of the olive oil. So after I mixed this very well, I heated it up using a method called double boiler method. This is basically steaming. So I heated the water to boil and placed the jar inside the pot, and I let this sit for about 5 minutes on a low heat. Double boiler method is usually used to infuse oils with or into herbs. That way the oils or the herbs are not directly exposed to heat, which can destroy or degrade the benefits of both. So while I steamed this, I was giving it a good stir, and that was basically it. I steamed this for the duration of 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, I brought it down. So you don't have to overheat the oil, okay? You don't want to overheat the oil so it doesn't lose its value, the potency. I allowed this to cool down very well. In fact, it stayed overnight, and I strained it the next day. Okay, as you can see, the particles are well settled under the bottle. And then I went ahead to strain the mixture. I used a neat wig cap. It's always advisable that you use something that is very neat so that you don't corrupt whatever that you've made. Okay, so I used a neat wig cap to strain this, and I got my oil. I decided to put the bottom part of this oil into this small bottle, and I started using from there. I've used this oil for like a week plus now. So right now I'll be showing you one of the clips of how I use this oil to promote hair growth. For the first week, I use this oil for 3 to 4 days, and I try to get it in my roots and massage it to stimulate blood flow to my scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. And my wash day is almost here. So if you watch this video to this point, Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Like this video and leave a comment for me in the comment section below. Thank you all so much. Your love and support means so much to me. Until my next video, bye.